Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a step-by-step guide for Thailand's retirement visa. Thailand's majestic landscape, formed by its rich foliage and stunning beaches, makes for a very relaxing and soothing environment one could live in forever. It's not surprising that foreigners find themselves enchanted and want to spend their retirement days in this breathtaking tropical paradise. People aged 50 years and older may apply for the Thailand's retirement visa. This makes your stay in Thailand hassle-free. If you are interested in doing the same, applying for a retirement visa in Thailand would be the first step to take. How to obtain a retirement visa in Thailand. Step 1. Obtain a non-immigrant visa, Category O. Requirements. 1. Passport with validity of at least 6 months remaining before expiration. 2. Proof of accommodation in Thailand, if you apply for this visa within Thailand. 3. Bank statement showing proof of funds. 4. Annual health insurance, as required by some Thai embassies or consulates abroad. 5. You must be holding nationality or permanent residence of the country of visa application. 6. You apply at the Thai embassy abroad or Thai immigration office within Thailand. Step 2. Obtain a 1-year Thai retirement visa extension. Non-immigrant O extension requirements. 1. Must be 50 years old and above. 2. Passport, signed copies of each page. 3. Non-immigrant O visa. 4. TM30 receipt. 5. Proof of meeting financial requirements such as bank statement, for income. 6. Income certificate from the embassy in Thailand, applicant's nationality. 7. Thai bank book showing deposit account, original. 8. Letter from your Thai bank, certificate must be signed by the bank official. 9. 3 4x5 cm photos, with full face taken within the last 6 months. 10. Proof of permanent accommodation in Thailand such as a lease or rental agreement. Medical certificates and criminal record certificates are not required for the retirement visa application process completed inside Thailand. Step 3. Obtaining a re-entry permit. Most people must understand the different concepts of extension of stay and re-entry permit. Sometimes mistaken for each other, you must understand that these are two different things, both of which you would need during your stay. The extension of stay is simply the controlling date for your period of stay. Everything else is dependent on this. Everything is invalidated when your extension of stay expires. Extension of stay is usually valid for 1 year. On the other hand, the re-entry permit's validity is subject to the validity of your extension of stay. However, leaving Thailand without a re-entry permit automatically invalidates your extension of stay or period of stay. The re-entry permit comes with 2 options for the Thailand retirement visa holder. 1. Single entry, 1,000 Thai baht. 2. Multiple entries, 3,800 Thai baht. The re-entry permit application is submitted at the airports in Thailand. The Immigration Bureau has an immigration officer assigned before the passport control counters for processing these requests. Step 4. Reporting your stay every 90 days and visa expiration. Applicants must report to the Immigration Bureau every 90 days if they are on a long-term extension of stay. Persons holding a multiple entry visa will simply depart Thailand and renew their extension of stay after each 90-day entry. The reporting can be accomplished either in person or online. If you cannot obtain your extension inside Thailand, you will have to get a new non-immigrant O visa from a Thai embassy or consulate abroad. And there you have it, you are now a holder of a 1-year extension of a non-immigrant visa for retirement purposes. Health insurance is not required, but the applicant must have applied within Thailand for the visa to be exempt from insurance requirements. Remember to do your reporting every 3 months, commonly referred to as 90-day reporting, submitting the application to the immigration office either online or in person. And that concludes today's video. If you found this information useful, please like, share and subscribe for more Thailand-related content. Enjoy your retirement in Thailand.